I mean, I think we're all really excited for the idea of occupation. Everybody wants to be part of a movement that's actually going to change something. That's why we get fired up when someone comes up here and gives us ideas. But we have to think strategically. What are our basic needs as human beings? The one thing that connects every single person in this crowd of people are basic needs. How are we going to address those once we get to this square? I am not prepared to stay here today. I don't know if anybody else is. If they are, God bless you. Or atheists bless you. I don't give a shit. But we cannot get up here and fire people up and say, occupy, 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 when we don't have a plan. I live in Niagara Falls. Last week before I came here, I went to Joe Davis State Park, climbed a pear tree, and took 50 pears and brought them here. Because people are going to be hungry here. If somebody has blankets, we need blankets here. We need tarps. We need these things to stay warm and stay together. That is what we need to discuss before we get an idea of, yeah, let's occupy. Well, let's do it smart. Let's do it intelligently. I don't want to see some flash in the pan occupation when we're here for 4 hours, then we get discouraged, we get afraid, and we walk away. Because Fox News, CNN, Channel 7, Channel 2, Channel 4, they will eat that up. And they will destroy us from the inside out. So I would propose, before we have a proposal for occupation, this group is too big. Why don't we split up into our basic needs? No. Discussion to go into our basic needs. Form a committee. There you go. A committee. So we can address the needs of the people.
Propose the formation of a committee.
Well, we gotta finish the first proposal first.
We gotta get individual people to come up and talk about individual shit before we can do group stuff.
Need a bigger megaphone. No, we need a people.